The OptiWash, a wall-mounted, self-contained, gravity-fed eye wash. The OptiWash is a gravity-fed eye wash ideal for use in areas where a continuous supply of potable water is unavailable. Its 38-litre tank delivers a controlled flow of at least 1.5 litres per minute of water for 15 minutes, meeting EN and ANSI requirements. The OptiWash is suitable for indoor use and can also be installed outdoors with the addition of the optional insulated or heated jacket. Eye wash equipment must be installed within 20 metres and on the same level as a potential hazard. Where strong acids or caustics are used, equipment must be immediately adjacent to the hazard and outside of any spray paths. Adequate drainage should be available in the area around and underneath the eye wash. The unit should be wall mounted in a location as required by local standards, using the brackets provided and then filled with at least 38 litres of potable water. The Hughes water preservative can be used to prevent the growth of bacteria and prolong the water quality. Regular servicing and maintenance of eye wash equipment is essential to ensure correct functionality. All services and weekly activations must be recorded to ensure a full history is maintained as per European and international standard requirements. All equipment should be visually inspected and activated at least once a week to ensure it's operating properly, to clear the line of any sediment buildup, and check that the water runs clear. To operate, pull down the handle to activate the eye wash. Lower eyes into the stream of water. Hold eyes open with thumb and forefinger. Flush for 15 minutes and then seek immediate medical attention.